this video, we'll be looking at the core difference between Excision and Gazette and where people actually get it wrong and what you need to do about it when next you are being presented it as a land document for properties in Lagos. And why Lagos? It is only in Lagos in Nigeria that Excisions and Gazettes are a thing. Outside Lagos, for example, in Rivers State here, nobody talks about Gazettes. Nobody talks about Excisions. In Abuja, nobody talks about Gazette. Nobody talks about Excision. So Excisions and Gazette are peculiar to real estate investments in Port Harcourt. So before that, I would like to define Excision before Gazette. So Excision comes before Gazette. So what is Excision? Excision is a process by which a plot or parcel of land are excised back to the community from the government. So before now, the majority of the lands in Lagos were taken over by the Lagos state government. You understand? So that made a lot of communities in Lagos to lose a large chunk of their land. Many of them were compensated. I mean, their great-grandfathers took possession, took receipt of those monies, those compensations from the state government when those happened. They took it and they gave government almost all their land. Now, generations down the line, like one or two generations down the line, their children doesn't have lands they can even farm on or they can even call theirs. So Lagos state government made an avenue whereby these communities can be able to come back to them and ask them that some parts of this land that they know their fathers has willfully given to the government for a fee be willed back to them on a goodwill basis. So this is what Excision simply means. So when they apply to the government and the government looks at it and think it is important that they do this to this particular community, if the government goes ahead to approve it, that process is called Excision. So Excision is a process by which a government, the state government of Lagos, approves the reallocation back of some parcel of land back to the original owners that they had already compensated and taken those land back in time past. So that's the definition of Excision. So that's where Excision comes handy.